You're not going to get the staining of your surfaces. You're not going to get that algae and that mildew building up nearly as much because the airflow gets there and it will dry. Hi, this is Tony from BesideTheFrontDoor.com again. Want to talk to you about pot feet today. Now, pot feet are one of the best things you can do, not only for your plants, but it protects your surfaces as well. And these pot feet are often bought in a set of 3 or 4, and you would set them just to the edges of your pot so that that center hole stays free, right in the center here. Using 3 or 4, depending upon how big your pot is. So what's going to show is almost nothing on the edge, just that little point. And you still have that center hole free. You see the edges running along the side of your pot edges. Here are the pot feet set up underneath that pot. It allows airflow underneath the pot, which lets your deck dry out. You can also set the pot feet up in this configuration. And with a larger pot, you wouldn't even see them at all. And you still get the water flow coming out that center hole. Now, if these tips are really helpful to you, please click like and subscribe to hear more, and I'll see you again.